Hi, so today I will be planting Pulmonaria Twinkle toes. It is very hardy. It's 16 by 18 and it has little tiny blue flowers all over it, which is nice, kind of like the runner-up that's over there. It likes full shade to part shade, which is what this area is. So here it is. It's got these variegated leaves. They're dark green and this kind of grayish green color. They're really fuzzy, very fuzzy actually, and we think it's pretty similar to the Pulmonaria that's over there. It has the same kind of flower situation. So we're thinking that it'll be cool to have them in this flower bed together so that they can kind of play off of each other. Since the gray Pulmonaria color over there will be a little bit overwhelming if we have multiple things together over there, we're thinking let's put it over here. Wait. So we want to put a drift of the Pulmonaria over there, and if we have too much gray, we think it might be a little bit too overpowering. So we're thinking of putting little gray accents all over. So hopefully we'll have a drift of maybe 3 or 4 of them right here. This is just the one that we have for now. So I already dug the hole, and I already put some peat moss and vermiculite mixture into there because the area is really sandy and there's not much nutrients in the soil, so it just it doesn't hold water and it's pretty annoying to work with. So I put some of that in there. Hopefully it'll make things a little bit better. Now I'm going to plant it. So here I go. This will be good, and hopefully it'll get a little bit wider and sort of pour over the edges of these rocks. There's plenty of roots in here, but they're not really a problem. Attempt to put the mulch on there. See, sometimes you put the mulch back on and it's all dirty on the top. There's not really much you can do about it except to just mulch back on top, you know? Yeah, it's a little dirty, but what can you do? So I think it looks really nice, and we're thinking that maybe we should plant one here, here, and here. And so I think it looks really good. When we get more, we'll be putting them in a drift with another one here, here, and one more right here. Hopefully it will fill in this area with thick, nice, luscious silver leaves.